Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. My name is Daniel, and today I'm going to talk about something that I have been anticipating for quite a long time, and I must say all of my expectations has been completely and 100% fulfilled. This is a video about the new Air 2 Max, and in particular the one I'm going to talk mostly about today is the 9 feet 6 weight. When Winston launched this rod, they promised to deliver a fast and a light rod that was very well adapted to all the needs of a saltwater angler. Now I've tried loads of these. I have the 7 weight and I have the 9 weight as well, and have been using those for some time. I've been fishing with the 8 weight as well. But for some reason the 6 weight, which is the weight that we use the most for coastal fishing here in Denmark, was delayed. Now it's finally here. I've had time to fish it for a whole day, and I am as excited and as pleased and as amazed as I thought I would be, because the 7 weight was just absolutely out of this world. The same with the 9 weight. I'm going to use that for some saltwater fishing, but also for pike. It's absolutely amazing. But the 6 weight here is just one of the lightest and most exclusive and coolest rods I've tried for many years. What of course Winston in particular brings to the market is the level of detail and the level of actual, I don't know exactly how to express it, but the Winston rods just feel kind of like rods with soul, because when you pick up a Winston rod, you can always tell that this rod has been produced by people who care very much, both about what the actual rod should express, but also of the actual expression of the rod. You can see from the minute level of details exactly how the fittings has been placed on here, the quality of the individual materials, such as the quality of the cork, the quality of the reel seat, the quality of the guides. That is levels of paying attention to details that I think no other rod brand currently on the market does as well as Winston does. Scott produces really excellent and really well produced rods. But there is just, nothing quite like the Winstons. I mean, I love my Scott rods. I have many of those, and I think the craftsmanship in Scott is absolutely amazing. But Winston just takes that a little further. They just go that small. They just go that extra not mile, because it's not actual a mile, but it is something else. So the level of craftsmanship on Winston rods is the highest out there. And when you combine that with some of the coolest technologies when it comes to designing blanks and to making blanks, then you get the new Air 2 Max, which is, first of all, it's just a pure joy to cast. It's a pure joy to fish. It has a lot of power, in particular here in the bottom section, but it still maintains and still have that special Winston feeling, that feeling of I think the closest word is the rod with the soul, that just makes you smile, and smile very broadly every single time you pick one of these up. So it's truly light. It has a lot of power. I can pick up a full 10 meters intermediate head from the water with this rod without having to strip it to the surface or roll cast it first. And then it just has that feeling that the Winston rods has. So this is a full-on Winston rod, a purebred Winston rod, but it's also a purebred saltwater rod that has all of the features and all of the key things that you're looking for in an awesome saltwater rod. You combine those two things, then you get this one, the new Air 2 Salt Max. Air 2 Max is what it's called. And I can't wait to go out there and give this and take this for more casts, because it just want to make you cast even more and more. So the new Air 2 Max from Winston, it has my highest I am very pleased that we have the full selection now at Nordic Anglers. And if you want one of these, you can of course get it at Nordic Anglers. So thank you for watching. Now I'm gonna go find the sea trout.